Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub tutorial series. In this video, I want to show you a little investment I made in cryptocurrency and then the earnings that I have made so far so that you can see whether it is something you would like to explore. As you know, cryptocurrency is one of the new waves and then one of the ways that is making people millionaires, sometimes over a few months, sometimes overnight, people become wealthy, especially people who have money and they can invest in existing coins. They can make a lot of money, millions overnight, 24 hours. They can become millionaires. But I want to show you how you can modestly and then moderately, without too much money, you can still make substantial earning. So here you are seeing coin market capitalization portfolio system here. So here you can see a figure here, you can see 1,215. And so let me scroll down and you see the coin I'm investing in. So you can see Shiba Inu. Those of you who are conversant or abreast with the current trends in the cryptocurrency, you know that Shiba Inu is like they call it the Dogecoin killer. So it is a rival to Dogecoin, and you know what Dogecoin has done recently, risen highly. I used to have Dogecoins, and then for about 2 years, I wasn't seeing anything, so I sold them off until this year, early part of this year. Dogecoin soared up, and people became millionaires and billionaires overnight. And so when Shiba Inu came, I didn't see it early, but in June, I decided to go for a few tokens. I didn't have enough money at that time. I was doing a project, so I was saving money for the particular stage of the project. So I squeezed for some just a little below $200. As a matter of fact, I have small tokens otherwhere, and then I closed all of them and gathered the money and used it to purchase some Shiba Inu coin. So you can see this is the token and this is the current price. You can see it is 0.0004731. That is the price per Shiba Inu token, and this is 40. And now you can see that today it has risen 22%, 22.96% in the past 24 hours. And so you can see it is changing. It has now changed to 23.22%, and then so it's fluctuating like that. And so this is the holding. This is the number of tokens I am holding. So I have 25,086,252 Shiba Inu tokens. And this is profit of these tokens I am holding so far per the amount of money I invested. So this amount is profit, pure profit. 1,187.68 is the profit. And now this is the price at which I purchased the coins at the time. So you can see it was 5 zeros, 0.00000500762. That was the price at that time. And so you can see that today it has cleared 10 and it is now 4 zeros after the decimal and is 473. So the price has appreciated substantially. So it means at the time I purchased up to today, you can see that the value has increased by 536.88%. 536% appreciation in the price of the Shiba Inu token. So you can see the profit here. So this is the price of what I have here, 1,184, and this is the profit or loss. It's in green, so it means I've made a profit of 1,200 and $1,026. So let's go down to the breakdown so you can see that is the price currently. That's the total value of the 25 million tokens I'm holding. So you see that it is fluctuating. It was 1,215. So you can see it has dropped again. That is the nature of cryptocurrency. It will drop like this. The next moment, it will go up again. So this is what it is worth currently. And so you can see the price chart, how it has been moving. So you can see that in the past 24 hours, it has appreciated and it is still appreciating and going up. All right, so you can see it there. It has gone back to the 1,215 again. And so let's go and see the details, the date of purchase, etc. So here you can see the token is Shiba Inu token, and then you can see the quantity, the average buy price, and then etc. So here is it. This is the date on which I purchased the coins. That's June 19th, 2021 at about 11:40 p.m. So the details are there. And so I listed it on the coin market, my portfolio, and so that I can be tracking the performance. So there you can see it. And there you see the quantity I have is 25,086,252 SHIB. That's the tokens I have. And the price at which I purchased is 0.000000762. So you see 5 zeros. And like I told you, this is the profit percentage I have made so far. The profit is 520% appreciation in the price of Shiba Inu token. And then the profit in dollars is $995 because of the change in the prices per minute per second. So it means I invested how much? So look at how much I invested. So you can see it here that I invested $191.16, less than $200. And that $200 or less than $200 has given me a profit of $995 in how many months? Calculate 19th June, 19th July is 1 month, 19th August, second month, 19th September, third month, and 19th October is 4 months. So 4 months, a week plus a week or 2 weeks has yielded a profit of $995 on an investment of $191. So that is how profitable cryptocurrency can be. I am not guaranteeing that any crypto you invest in, you will make this amount within this time. So let me make a clear disclaimer here. You can be lucky, you can make more than this, especially depending on the crypto you choose and then the performance of that crypto on the market. So you have to choose. Now there are so many fake ones that people put as scam coins to just deceive people and make. So you have to see the community that is backing the particular token, the number of people that are supporting it, and then the performance of the coin on coin market capitalization, etc. And then you know how popular the coin is and the potential. You follow the news, and then you see how the coin will perform. So far, my Shiba Inu token is 25 million. I'm trusting God that the price will get to 1 cent. And if it gets to 1 cent, it means my coins will be worth $250,000. And then if it happens to get to 10 cents, my coins will be worth $2.5 million. And if per chance it gets to $1 one day, my 25 million will be worth $25 million. Somebody says it's not possible, but the same happened to Dogecoin, and today Dogecoin is trading at 0.27. As of today, is 0.27 something. So that means if you had 1 million Dogecoin at that time, today it will be worth over 2 something million, about 2.5 million for you. So anything is possible, anything can happen in cryptocurrency. So those of you who are interested, take some small money and venture into a few of the coins. And then if you become lucky, you can make some decent profit out of it. And then you can cushion yourself. I have another token I will introduce you to, which price is quite low at this time. You can still join the Shiba Inu, price is still going up, and then you can try a lot on it, and then we are trusting that the price will go to 1 cent one of these days, or maybe 10 cents and possibly $1. So you can still jump on board the Shiba Inu bandwagon and then see how lucky you can be. Or else I'll be introducing you to another token which is based on a physical manufacturing company. And that is just started and is going to make way. So in my next video, I will introduce you to the hash token, and then if you are interested, you will buy a few tokens and hold. And then we are trusting God to see what will happen with that token. So that's just by the way of showing you the potential of making money with cryptocurrency. You can see with 191.16 investment, I have made a profit of $995 in 4 months. It's possible you can make more than that depending on amount of money you have and then the crypto you choose. So thanks for watching. Keep watching our videos and keep liking and sharing. And then let's keep learning and then exploring opportunities for making some passive income online. God bless you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.